Hello everyone, this is Jordan from PyneExcel.com and today I'm going to show you how to create a conditionally formatted bar chart in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, this chart allows us to see not only the sales numbers for each product, which are displayed by the bar's height, but also how profitable each product is. There are three profit categories in which the products are distributed. So for example, you can see that although product 2 has higher sales number than product 1 and product 4, it is the least profitable. On the other hand, product 4 has the lowest number of sales, but is the most profitable. By adding the color formatting to the bar chart, we are introducing an additional dimension to the chart, which allows for better data analysis and more impactful data presentation. So, let's see how this chart is created. This is the data source we are going to use. In the first column, we have the product names. Then the sales volume, price and profit, which is of course calculated by multiplying the sales volume and price. The first thing we will do is to convert the data to a table. This will make adding the calculations easier. Then we will add our profit categories. Next, we will add the profit categories limits, which will be used to calculate the formulas. Now to add the formulas. What we want to do is to display the sales volume based on the profit level. For the first category, we want the following condition. If the profit is less than 5,000, then the sales volume should be displayed. Otherwise, the sales should be blank. Don't forget to log the sales. Since we formatted our data as a table, the formulas are automatically applied to the whole column. For the second profit category, we want the following. If the profit is higher or equal to 5,000 and it is lower or equal to 10,000, the sales volume should be shown. Otherwise, the cell should be left blank. For the final column, we simply want to display the sales volume if the profit is higher than 10,000. Now our dataset is completed and we are ready to add the chart. Select the product and sales columns and insert a single 2D column chart. Now we need to adjust the data series. To do that, click on the chart. This will display the data reference, which we can simply drag and expand in order to display our profit categories. Next, select the chart and change the color format. In this case, we're going to use monochromatic green. Now, double-click one of the bars. This will open the Format Data Series menu. Set Series Overlap to 100%. Next, select the chart and add a new chart element, Data Labels. To remove the zero values, double-click on one of them to open the Format Data Labels menu. Go to Label Options, Number, and set Category to Custom. Add a new format code, hash and double quotation marks. This will remove the zeros for the first data series. However, since we have three categories, we need to change the formatting 2 more times. However, this time we can simply select the format from the drop-down menu, since it is saved. Now we can remove the vertical axis, since we have the sales information in the data labels. Right-click on the axis and delete. We can also delete the grid lines in order to make the chart look cleaner. What we can do next is to add a legend. Just click on the chart and add a new element legend. We can also insert a text box which can be used as a title for the legend. To remove the outline of the text box, select it, go to Format, Shape Outline and click on No Outline. Finally, we can add a chart title. This is it! Now we have a dynamic bar chart which changes the color of the bars based on a condition, in this case profit level. As you can see, this is a very flexible method of adding conditional formatting to a chart. It can be used in a variety of ways to improve data presentation and analysis. For example, you can change the color of the bars if the result is over or under a target. This is what we will cover in our next video. You can download this chart along with instructions from our website for free by using the coupon from the description. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Also, make sure you visit our channel and website for more dynamic charts and templates. This was Jordan from PineExcel.com. Thank you very much for watching.